Hello, profitable traders. You are welcome back to Forex Nuts Academy, and I'm super excited to share with us yet again another proven, powerfully working strategy based on RSI and moving average. This is really exciting, traders. This is really exciting, guys, and I'm really happy to bring this video to us. It's going to be a combined strategy, a two-way strategy with which we can trade RSI and moving average. You don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this at all. So just let's get fixed to our chair. Let's get our phones. Let's get our laptops as we go into this video. See you on the next side. You are welcome back, profitable traders. And now let's get straight into the strategy. As I said earlier, the strategy is based on two indicators: RSI, our relative strength index, and our moving average. Our moving average will be used to determine the trend of the market. Do we get it now? And our RSI will be used to determine when price is oversold and when price is overbought. Do we get it now? So let's get into the indicators. The first indicator will be our moving average. When we click on our F button, we go to our main chart, we click on moving average. Our moving average period is set to 50. The shift is 0. The method is simple: apply to close. And the pixel, my pixel is 4, so that it can be very glaring on my screen. I can see it very clearly, and you can make any color. You can use any color of your choice. Do you get that? And the next one will be our relative strength index. Our relative strength index, the period is set to 7. Apply to close. The style is 3 pixels, and my color is blue. You can use any color of your choice. So far, the color will be obvious on your screen. That is those the two simple indicators we'll be using. But guys, this strategy is completely insane. It's completely insane. I've made a whole lot of money with this strategy just this week. Just this week, guys. So this is a twofold strategy. I'll be showing us two ways we can use the RSI and the moving average to make money from the market. The first strategy is, now when we look at our moving average and price is above our moving average, we know that price is in a uptrend. Do we get that? When price is above our moving average, in situations like this, can we see this as price is above our moving average? So we want to assume that price is in a uptrend. And in cases like this, when price is below the moving average, we want to say that price is in a downtrend. Do we get that? Do we get that now? So when price is above the moving average, that means price is in an uptrend. And as traders, as professional traders, we know that trend is our friend. We don't go against the trend. When it is uptrend, we look for our buy signals. When it is downtrend, we look for our what? For our sell signals. So the same thing with this strategy. So when we see that price is above the moving average, then we wait for our RSI to get oversold. Are we getting it now? We wait for our RSI to get oversold. So when our RSI starts buying, is turning away from the oversold region, which is our 30 level here. Our 30 level here. Our 30 level. So when price is moving out of our 30 level, then we join it and we follow the trend up. Are we getting it now? And we follow the trend up. Imagine this level now. Look at this level. At this level, price is above our moving average, which signifies a uptrend. And when we check respectively on our RSI, price is at our 30 level, which is our oversold level. Are we getting it? Which is in our oversold level. So we can just, That is a very good entry for us to enter the market and ride it all up. Look at the profit, guys. Look at the profit. Look at the profit. Can we see that? So I will advise us that when we join the market and when our RSI is getting to the overbought region, that means it's going above the 70 level here. It's going this above this 70 level. It's passing this level already. We should be ready to take our profit. Do we get that? We should be ready to take our profit. Profitable traders, we don't need to follow or to catch all market moves. What we need to do is to stick to our proven strategy, and we are sure to make money from the market. Are we getting it now? Are we getting it now? So let's check this side also. Can we see at this point? At this point, price is still above the moving average, right? So that means price is still in a uptrend. So I'll come to the RSI now. When price was at that level, RSI was also at the 30 level, the oversold level. So which is a perfect entry for us to enter the market and follow the uptrend. Are we getting it now? Are we getting it now? Can you see this is a very powerful strategy that has been making me money, that has been making me very good money. I mean, very good money. Just stay with your chart, observe your chart very well. You can use this on any time frame, or even on the 5 minute time frame, on the 15, on the 30 minute time frame. Once you understand your strategy, you know what to look out for, you are good to go. You are very good to go. Are we getting it now? You can use this. I've been using this on boom 1000, boom 500, crash 500, and crash 1000, and it has been working amazingly fine for me. Do we get it now? It has been working amazingly fine for me. Can we see this? Price is above. Can we see this now, guys? Price is above our moving average, though it broke a little bit downward. Do we get it now? Though it broke a little bit downward, but we can still say it went straight up above the moving average again. And look at our RSI. It came even so low below our oversold line. Can we see that? So you can just be patient with it. Once it breaks into it, then we can just follow it up till our RSI gets overbought. Can we see that strategy? Can we see that strategy, guys? So this is a very powerful strategy. This is an amazing strategy that can change our trading life. Do we get it now? So that is the first strategy I would like to be sharing with us. Now let's go to the second strategy now. Another way we can use our RSI to make money from the forex market, from the boom and crash market. The other strategy is what is popularly called the RSI divergence. Do you know what is called divergence? I'll be putting us through the RSI divergence strategy in this video. Let's stay with our phones, let's stay with our laptop, let's stick to it, and we'll be getting into it very shortly. Welcome back, guys. Now let's get right into the RSI divergence strategy. Do we get it now? So in this strategy, we'll be paying our attention to our RSI. We'll be paying our attention to our RSI. In some cases, okay, this is a very good example now. Let's look at this. Let's look at this point in price. Can we see this point? Can we see that point? And can we see this point as well? We can see that this point, this point and this point, we can see that this point is higher. This second point is higher compared to this point. This point is higher in price compared to this point. But when we come to our RSI, let's trace the point down to our RSI. We'll see that this point is higher on our RSI and this point is lower on our RSI. Do we get it now? So when we want to connect the points on our price, it goes like this, and on price it goes up, and on RSI it goes downward. It goes downward. That is what we mean by RSI divergence. RSI divergence. RSI divergence is basically when price is forming a higher high and our RSI is forming a lower low. Do we get that? So that is a very good confirmation that price is very likely to reverse. That is a reversal strategy that we can follow. Are we getting it now? When price forms a higher high and our RSI forms a lower low. Do we get it now? In some cases, it can be in the opposite, where price will be forming a lower low and our RSI will be forming a higher high. Okay, this is a very good example now. Look at this point, look at this point, and look at this point in price. Then let's trace them down to our RSI and check the point. This point, the first point is here on our RSI, and the second point is here on our RSI. Can we see that? So if we want to connect the 2 points on price, it's going to form a lower low. Do we get it? It's going to form a lower low. And if we want to connect those 2 points on our RSI, it's forming a higher high. That is what we mean by RSI divergence, which is a very powerful reversal strategy that we can follow and make more money. You get it now? RSI divergence is effective, very effective on any time frame, and very effective in any market, even in the currency pair market, even in the VIX markets. Try it on any market. RSI divergence is working very, very fine. You can use any zoom level and you can use any time frame for RSI divergence. This is a very profitable strategy, guys, and I've shown us the 2 ways we can use our RSI and moving average to make money from the market. I've shown us the 2 ways we can use our RSI and moving average to make money from the market. And I'm very sure that if we can take our time to understand this strategy, we're going to make a whole lot, I mean a whole lot of money from the Forex market. Let's check other markets for examples now. Okay, we are on boom 1000. Okay, let's go to crash 1000. Let's go to crash 1000 to see our examples. I'm on a M30, a 30 minutes time frame, and I'll just check around to look for trade examples now. Just look for trade examples. Okay, let's go to our 1 hour time frame. Let's go to our 1 hour time frame now. Or you can go to our 15 minutes time frame. It doesn't really matter the time frame. Once you understand the strategy and you know what to do about it, you are good to go. You are very, very good to go. Let's go to our M15 time frame, because I want to believe that many of us might not have a very large account to trade on higher time frame, so we can just stay on our lower time frame, make our money, then run off the market. Are we getting it now? Now let's look at this. Let's look at this, guys. Let's look at this, guys. Look at this point in price, this point and this point, and let's look at those points on our RSI. The first point is here and the other point is here. Can you see? If we want to connect those points on our RSI, it's going to be like a lower low. Do you get? And if we want to connect those points on our RSI, it's going to be like a higher high. Do we see that? Which is a very good entry based on our RSI divergence strategy. And look how far the market moved. Look how far the market moved. Are you getting it now? Look how far the market moved. We'll have made a whole lot of money from this trade. Are we getting it? RSI strategy works very effectively. Works very, very effectively, guys. You don't want to believe this, but if you can demonstrate it, watch this video over and over again and make sure you understand everything I've said, you will really see that RSI divergence strategy is working a whole lot. Is working really, really fine. So this will be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos. Drop your comments, any questions you have. I'll reply to your questions almost immediately. Drop your questions in the comment section. Share, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we drop another video. I promise you that Forex Nerds Academy is here to educate you on how to make money, to equip you with proven strategies, with strategies that will make your work easier and that will make your trading experience more fulfilling. Forex Nerds Academy. See you in the next video.